almost died today.
Yeah, I had to play my best lifeguard. We were in the ocean. My dad and I were out a little bit further than her. My dad had his hat, his glasses, and a drink in his hands. At some point, he lost his glasses, and so we were searching around, trying to find them, trying to see if we could retrieve them.
And I was just kind of like in the back following along.
How the beach is here, it's fairly shallow, and then there's one part that it just gets really deep. The same distance out from the shore, but
Right.
it just gets deep.
Got really deep really fast.
And so my dad and I kind of were going that direction because that's where the current was kind of taking all the seaweed and stuff, so that's where we were.
Where he thought the glasses were going that way.
And so she was following along, and then at some point I look back and she's yelling to me.
I was treading water as best as to my abilities, which is very low. At some point I was like, oh, just float, like, it's fine, get on your back, just float. And I was like, I can't because waves are crashing in, so like I would have gotten like thrown under. So I was just like, Dag!
Yeah.
Dag!
I swam over and started to bring her in, and there thankfully are some lifeguards
who like noticed me struggling,
and so they came out and like
in.
met us halfway, gave her the little pontoon thing.
I was saved by Mexican Baywatch. My head was pounding. I was probably gulped like 3 or 4 big old gulps of ocean water because I started panicking, and I was like, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna drown today. Luckily, he came to my rescue.
Mm-hmm.
And Mexican Baywatch did too. That was the very first time I was actually like needed to be rescued out of the water. It was really scary for me. I was shaky, couldn't catch my breath, and the first thing I do out of the water, get some tamarindo margarita.
I mean, what else do you do, after
like,
a near-death experience?
You just drink, be thankful that you're alive. So that was our day. Really exciting afternoon.
Yeah. Then after that, we stuck to some shallower water in the pool.
Pools out here are all 4 feet deep, so I was like, I'm just gonna stick to that.
Yeah.
Calm waters where there's even footing all the way across. So we're trying to figure out what we're doing tomorrow. We might be doing some more touristy like activities, snorkeling, zip lining, inshallah.
Yeah.
I don't know what we're doing. Just along for the ride.
Doing something.
We're doing something.
Anyway.
We'll go to bed now.
Yeah, it's time for us to sleep. So we're gonna have to get up early. Alright, good night. See you tomorrow. Inshallah.
Probably.
Probably.